Hey guys, we're moving another couch. This is the third couch we're moving this week, and we're moving for 80 bucks. You know, larger guys will charge about 150 bucks for a couch, but we'll do it for 80. But here we go. Hey guys, this was a couch pickup we did in Williamsburg, Virginia. Did it for 80 bucks. It was a little electric couch, but there's a trick. You can take off those backs on the couch, and it makes it easier to haul around. Anyway, if you have a couch and you're in the Hampton Roads 757 area, you call 757-354-2628, and we'll come pick that up for you.